Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
Your रणभूमि है जिंदगी, life, okay? Big Boss teaches you, makes you practice just the little details, kind of fine tunes you to go out there in life and fight. Okay, so just want to tell you about my journey. Honestly, there was somebody asking me about that. You know what? It's really, you've heard this a lot many times, but I want to tell this again to you that it has been a big roller coaster ride. A lot of ups, a lot of downs, a lot of emotions and crazy times in the house. The house is a pressure cooker, seriously. But at the end of it, when you come out of it, okay, when you come out of a roller coaster, what do you say? You say, wow, literally. Nobody says anything, but the adrenaline is so great that you want to go for it one more. Okay, not that I want to go for it one more time, but it is an experience I think everybody should experience it once. It teaches you, it's like a ground. जो रणभूमि है जिंदगी, life, okay? Big Boss teaches you, makes you practice just the little details, kind of fine tunes you to go out there in life and fight. It's awesome, man, really. Big Boss से आकर घर इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं घर से literally बाहर जाने को मन नहीं करता है. I love home. I miss home so much. I miss my kids. I miss them so much. Look at them, man. It's so much of fun. I just want to hang out with them and chill with them. Thank you so much, Himani. Oh man, thank you so much. Darshana Sinha, really. Okay, I just had a haircut, man. I just cut my hair so short. But you know what? I'm going to go for another trim. And then after some time, I'm going to cut my hair really short. And like really cool. Awesome love and support from Pakistan. Thank you, Noor Jahan. Thank you so much. Bella, come here. Okay, come here. Look. See, everybody wanna say hi. Everybody wanna say hi. Okay, you gotta say hi. Okay, now you gotta tell them. Did you miss Dad? No, but where are you going? Okay. Down? Okay, down you go. There. They have their own mind, seriously. They do what they want. See, come here. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. It's not easy handling Big Boss, especially when you know that Big Boss is a house of a lot of negative vibrations everywhere, because everybody is about to fight and everybody is about to, like bang. So, अपना संतुलन रखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. So it's important that we stay sane, we stay kind, we stay humble, because at the end of it, okay, जिंदगी में जब बाहर आते हो, अब झगड़ने आते हो जिंदगी में, अब जिंदगी में ना जीने आते हो, and you try to sort situation and things. So that's how I've always been. King KVB Bora, hello. Hey, there you have with me my beautiful wife. Hello. So you come to say.
There's another question. If you had to do this journey, would you go through it again?
No. Well, because I've already learned so much, okay? क्योंकि अब जो practice करना है, अब इस जिंदगी में practice करना है. As I told you, Big Boss एक ऐसा एक ऐसी platform है which teaches you a lot about life. I think ये सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहिए, because जो एक Big Boss मैं खेल रहा था Big Boss के अंदर, एक Big Boss आप खेल रही थी Big Boss के बाहर, लेकिन इस बार चाहता हूँ कि बिग बॉस पे आप जाए, अंदर खेले और मैं बाहर खेलूं. How's that?
Thanks. Honestly, I've played enough Big Boss.
Yeah. Deepika winning. Okay, let me tell you, it is always destiny. Destiny जो करती है, हम उसको we cannot defy it. So congratulations to Deepika. Yeah. And oh, thank you. We are both awesome together. I know that too. We are awesome.
Yeah, he owes me a vacation now after all this.
Absolutely, man. I'm going to just go have so much of fun and enjoy so much. और मैं इतना कुछ खाने वाला हूँ ना, वो जो आपने सारी बॉडी देख रहा है वो खत्म होने वाली है. Seriously. Yeah. दीपक के साथ मैं जल्दी लाइव आऊँगा, because अभी बिहार जाने का प्लान बन रहा है. So we'll be doing a great live session with him too.
Deepak did a great job.
He's a darling.
It's terrific.
और प्यारे बैरागी में.
Say one more.
Yeah. मेरा भारत महान. Absolutely, मेरा भारत महान. Always, man. Always. Salute. And he just take that off. Just take that blank one off.
Take what off?
Blank.
Okay. Hold on. Bella, no. Bella, please. Stop it.
Hi, you play the game with utmost dignity. Thank you so much. Respect for all you guys too. Hey, kid.
Baby.
Baby. Man.
Okay, sleepy time.
आपका ध्यान रखोगे, इसका ध्यान रखूंगा, इसका ध्यान
Sleepy
रखूंगा.
time. चलो sleep.
Thank you so much, Miss Bubblegum.
Okay, Bella.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
It doesn't matter if you won the trophy or not, you won the hearts. I mean, that's what my wife keeps telling me.
That's what I always say. You know, taking home a trophy doesn't mean. How do you define winner? You know, when I told him.
Rohit Reddy Yoga. Oh, sorry, not yoga. Goa. It looks like yoga.
That's Rohit.
I know, sweetie. That's what the tick mark. How are you doing, brother?
He forgot how to read while he's in the house. Because books वगैरह नहीं मिलते ना.
Bella, say hi to Rohit. Quickly, say hi. Yeah, he's saying he's got chocolate for you. He's got chocolate. Say hi.
Hi, Rohit.
Say hi, Rohit.
She has to be in the mood.
Okay. I think when you come back, buddy, that's the time when she's gonna be giving a lot of hugs and kisses. How are you guys doing? Are you guys back or no? Man, I missed you and Anita so much. I'm so glad to have seen Anita at the house. Oh God, it was like a relief. Seriously. No, yoga and shit just waits. I know, I can see that. मतलब वहाँ भी जाकर तुम मतलब अपनी body तो बनाना छोड़ोगे नहीं. Are you guys still in Turkey? Yeah. Trust me, मैं phone मैंने कल ही start किया है and that's I have to. These two want to make. You know, उस घर में बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो हम करते थे and अब हमें realize होता है कि when you come to the real life, okay, to this life, हम कितनी चीज़ों को taken for granted करते हैं. वहाँ पर हमें इतनी सारी चीज़ें राशन में मिलती थी, शक्कर, दूध, आटा, और हम यहाँ पे जब भी खाना चाहो खाओ, ये लाओ वो लाओ, and we don't we understand these things, लेकिन हम इन चीज़ों को इतना महत्व नहीं देते हैं. So मुझे और बहुत I've started valuing a lot of things out here. सोना एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है जो कि you can't just waste your life sleeping. Okay, वहाँ पर हम ये सीखते थे कि जल्दी लेट सोते थे, लेकिन जल्दी वहाँ पर जब घंटी बजती थी you would get up, and then जब गाना बजता था हम उठ जाते थे. But वहाँ पर सोना अलाउड नहीं था, so you have to be awake and always excite yourself all the time. फिर बाथरूम एक हुआ करते थे, you know, so यहाँ पर एक घर में 4 बाथरूम है, anyone can use any bathroom. वहाँ पर सिर्फ एक बाथरूम हुआ करता था. Then so many things, man, that you know हमें झाड़ू खुद लगाना पड़ता था. And I would love doing स्वच्छ भारत अभियान, वो सारे garbage change. I would love doing garbage cleaning, you know, wet garbage, dry garbage. मेरा दोस्त जो है Afroz Shah, he'll be really proud of me, seriously, because हम जो वर्सोवा बीच क्लीन अप करते रहते हैं every weekend. In fact, I'm going to be there this Sunday. I will be in Bhubaneswar and Jodhpur. Okay, but next week हम लोग वर्सोवा बीच जाने वाले हैं. Okay, for the clean up drive. I want all you guys who are in Mumbai to come there. Okay, I will be there in the morning from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. So looking forward to seeing you guys out there. I'll put up a post. My best friend is Big Boss, all of them, but especially there's Deepak, there is Shishti, there is I like Saurabh also, and then of course everybody else, Somi, Sabha, they're Urvashi. They're a lot of fun. I really like these guys a lot. हाँ, रोमल सोता रहता था, but he's a sweet fellow, man, really. सोना कोई बुरी बात नहीं यार, सबको नींद आती है, क्या बात हुई? You know, everybody gets tired. You know what? I gotta tell this to you, okay? Bella का pink puppy जो मैंने उसमें कलर में डाला और मैंने दे दिया था, मुझे एंड में बिग बॉस ने वो पिंक पपी वापस दे दिया. कल मैं उसके साथ एक फोटो खींचने वाला हूँ, लेकिन वो पिंक पपी अब वो पिंक नहीं रहा, वो मल्टी कलर्ड पपी हो गया. स्वीटी, बाय द वे पिंक पपी का एक खुद का ट्विटर अकाउंट हो गया, बेला's पिंक पपी. सो मैं कल उस पिंक पपी जो अब पिंक नहीं है, मैं उसका रेवलेशन करने वाला हूँ और मैं बेला को दूंगा, उसको बताऊंगा बेला डू यू रिमेंबर योर पिंक पपी. देखता हूँ उसका रिएक्शन क्या होगा. सो टुमारो आई वांट ऑल यू गाइज टू सी इट. रियली इट विल बी ऑसम.
Facebook live tomorrow night.
What time?
9 or are we?
In the morning?
Evening.
हम लोग वहाँ पे रहेंगे नहीं स्वीटी फेस, हम लोग भुवनेश्वर में, लेकिन कल हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going tomorrow? क्या?
I'm so glad because of him. I'm also getting events. Thank you, Big Boss.
Oh, sweetie, I think it's because of you that I'm getting events.
Please.
Yeah, because
So tell everybody where we're going.
मैंने बोल दिया कल भुवनेश्वर जा रहे हैं, कल we are going to जगन्नाथपुरी. सबसे पहले लैंड करते हैं हम लोग, जगन्नाथपुरी जाने वाले हैं. So really, you know, all you guys out there will be landing around 7:30 at भुवनेश्वर. तो अगर भुवनेश्वर में कोई और हमें मिलना चाहते हैं, I want to see you guys, all right? Okay? If not, then at least जगन्नाथपुरी मिलो, वो बेस्ट जगह मिलने के लिए. You know, इसी बहाने भगवान जगन्नाथपुरी के दर्शन भी हो जाएंगे, बहुत मजा आएगा. Okay? So tomorrow कल 12 बजे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? All right.
1 o'clock.
Oh, wow, sorry. तो हम कल 1 बजे रेड एफएम जा रहे हैं. हम वहाँ पर बेला वियाना नहीं आ रहे ना हमारे साथ?
No.
Oh yeah, that's right. उसके बाद straight away we're going to the airport.
Yes.
So जाने से पहले हम लोग live. Should we go live to see the pink puppy reaction? Oh no, we'll post it. We'll post the pink puppy because पता नहीं ये लोग इनका मन जब करते हैं तभी हम उनके मुताबिक ही जीतते हैं. Seriously. So हरी कल है ना 10:30. ये है हमारे हरी भाई. अगर ये हमारे साथ पिछले 25 साल, हरी चाचा, तो बेला वियाना से हरी चाचा बुलाते हैं. हमारे साथ 25 साल से. He is like a, he is the most loyal to us, man.
Like
Seriously,
family.
we like literally family, man. Hurry, good night. सबको good night बोल दो.
Good night.
Yeah.
Bye.
So you want to meet me in Puri tomorrow? I'm looking forward to seeing you, Saswat Kumar. Come to Jagannath Puri tomorrow. मैं live भी जाऊँगा, जैसे मैं land करूँगा, I'll go live, so you'll know that I'm on my way. So you will get to see us. कल जगन्नाथपुरी में मिलते हैं. अरे राकेश साहू मिलते हैं जगन्नाथपुरी में. मजा आ जाएगा सच में. Okay, we done, Shri. I think आधा घंटा हो चुका है guys. अब हमें जाना पड़ेगा.
5 more minutes.
5 मिनट. बीवी ने बोल दिया 5 मिनट तो 5 मिनट.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
ठीक है.
more.
Take my name also. Okay, Shalini Sharma, I took your name. Your children and wife are so lucky to have such a kind-hearted man like you. I think this man is lucky to have these beautiful children like her. इसी बहाने बेबी केक खिला दो मुझे.
Cake.
ये हमारे
Yeah,
1 BHK की केक है जो सिंपल ने भेजी है. Okay.
Yeah, it's-
Yeah.
You don't have to eat halwa cake anymore.
No, I have the real cake. The real cake.
Real
Aha.
cake. Haha.
अरे यार. Miko.
You know, actually, you have to say. something.
Shraddha, how are you doing?
So many.
Aditi, Kesh. So nice.
You know, I just want to tell all the fans, all of you, KV ko to nahi pata. He didn't know in the house what was happening outside. All of you worked so hard for everything. There was so much of the video edits, the posts, the trending. It's a lot of work. Whoever's in the house, for the fans, for me, for all of us together, we worked so hard, didn't we? So, you know, I don't know every single person's name, but I know the 2 people that worked really hard who've been with KV
There's
for
Diksha right
years.
there.
Yeah, Diksha. Other than Diksha, who was like team leader, who was like through cyberspace coordinating everything. So she did so much. Diksha, thank you so much. I think you even got accused of being paid PR, you and Sonali. But you know what? I would take that as a compliment because इतने passion, इतने जुनून, इतने प्यार से आप लोगों ने काम किया KVB के लिए कि लोग सोच रहे बिना पैसे ऐसे कौन कर रहा है, you know? And you guys did it just out of love, out of heart. So that's such a big thing. And I told KV, especially Diksha, Sonali, but so many of you. But really, thank you so much.
Yeah.
This is not just for BB. The project TV show is over, but we are yours for life. Our connection will be forever now.
Seriously, man, you guys are phenomenal. Boom. Alright, something about Shrishti. Shrishti is a doll. Seriously, उसकी जब हम मिलते हैं तो मस्ती मजाक तो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होता है. अब हम मिलेंगे अदा के साथ भी. तो Shrishti, Ada and me, you will have so much of, we'll have a great time because we have so many common friends. Alright. So guys, this is it. It's time to go. It's time to sleep. Time to rest and time to tell all you guys sweet dreams.
Do you believe that you're home, or do you wake up and think you're in Big Boss?
मुझे अभी भी सपने आते हैं बिग बॉस के. जेन्युइनली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये सारे जैसे मैं ड्रीम्स आते हैं कि मैं भी बिग बॉस के घर में ही हूँ और मैं उठता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ अरे ये बेला क्या कर रही है बिग बॉस के घर में, वो मेरा साथ होती है. कभी वियना क्या कर रही है, टीजे क्या कर रही है अंदर. एंड देन आई शेक माय सेल्फ एंड अरे वी आर राइट
You're
हियर.
home.
या मैन.
I think we all feel the same. We wake up and think, We have to post today. We have to see the episode today. What's going to happen today? We are also free! Yay!
Okay. Alrighty, guys. Bye. Love you.
What? We'll do a Facebook Live. I think tomorrow because tomorrow we have an event. We're in
Facebook Live करते हैं कल, लेकिन है ना कहाँ करेंगे?
कहाँ?
We'll do it at We'll do it at 3 o'clock.
Afternoon?
Yeah.
Okay.
So tomorrow Facebook Live at 3 p.m. Okay.
On KV's page.
On my page. Okay, the fan page. So I'm looking forward to seeing all you guys out there because we'll have something else to discuss, I'm sure. Okay. Peace.
Love you guys.
Out.
Good night.